Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we have a John Doe found April 6, 2012 in Henry County, Georgia, age 25 to 52 is his estimated age. Cannot estimate height or weight. There is no estimated year of death or PMI. Skull showed evidence of gunshot wound. Skull recovered in evidence room of Henry County Sheriff's Office with 2 different case numbers, but no related case information found in system. Torso not recovered, etc., etc. Unknown hair color, unknown eye color. No clothing or accessories or physical description mentioned. Says he was African American. Henry County is near Atlanta. It's right here outlined if you wanted to see where it was. So, and there was one missing person that I found, but he's white, that went missing right in that area in 2012, but not until August is he reported missing. And he's 59 years old. It says on March 7, 2014, his family reported him missing. So 2 years after he went missing, the family reported him missing, and they said he was last seen in August. So he was placed as a missing person March 7, 2014. I don't know why they waited so long to report him missing. 59 years old when he went missing, gray hair, hazel eyes, scar on his back from surgery. But he went missing right there, because that's right there in the center of that county. And then I tried to find other people that went missing in the area, and we're going to include them. We have Brandon Taylor Alexander went missing from Lithonia, Georgia, 27 years old, 6 foot tall. He went missing November 22nd, 2008. Sometimes wore a beard or mustache. And it mentions his clothing. And that is about 36 minutes away. We have Michael Way, went missing from Atlanta, Georgia, March 25th, 2002. 24 years old, 5'9". Last seen at 1940 Fisher Road, Southeast. Black hair, brown eyes. Talks about his tattoos and his clothing. And we have Carlos Keith Parker, went missing from Atlanta, Georgia, December 6, 2002, 31 years old, 6 foot tall. Just says he was last heard from December 6, 2002. Bald shaved hair, head, black hair, brown eyes. Talks about his scars. And he had a vehicle with him. A blue pickup, Georgia license plate 224 VF. I think that is. And those 2 were about an hour away, the last 2 that went missing. Brian Dwayne Hobbs went missing from Stone Mountain, Georgia. That is 49 minutes away, 19 years old. He went missing in 1994. He's about 6'3", 6'4". Just says he's been missing since August 29th, 1994. His car, 1993 green Toyota Tercel, was found abandoned on Gresham Road in DeKalb County on 8/31, 1994. 2 agencies investigating. Black hair, brown eyes. So, Stone Mountain's 49 minutes away. And DeKalb County is 46 minutes away. So, Branville Bernard, I don't know how you pronounce his last name, Rolle or something like that. He went missing from Austell, March 18th, 1996, 22 years old, 6 foot to 6 foot tall. Last seen at his home, March 18th, 1996. He left with an acquaintance and has not been seen since. Black hair, brown eyes. 1996. I think Austell was a really safe place, but that is about an hour away. Darrell Earl Summer, I don't know how to pronounce that either, sorry. Went missing August 17, 2010 from Marietta, Georgia, 40 years old, 5'8". Traveled with a friend to Nashville, Tennessee from Atlanta, Georgia to sell a car. The friend returned without him. Black hair, brown eyes, and he hasn't been seen since. So Marietta to Henry County is about an hour and 13 minutes and the opposite direction of going towards Tennessee. Then we have Christopher Carlton Tompkins, went missing January 25th, 2002, from Ellerslie, Georgia. He was only 20 years old, born December 28th, 1981, 5'7", 124 pounds. Tattoo on his right arm of an ice cream cone with his nickname, Chris. Mr. Tompkins was working with a survey crew in a wooded area near County Line Road, off of Warm Springs Road in Harris County, and allegedly he just disappeared while he was out there working, and nobody saw anything, and nobody knows what happened, and yeah. And then it said that they found a piece of his clothing and part of a piece of blue fiber from his pants was found on a nearby barbed wire fence. Like he was trying to jump the fence. Like he was running or something. So, and it sounds really sketchy, the whole thing. Because I don't think they reported him missing right away or anything either. And that's about an hour and a half away. We have Marcus Nunnally, went missing from Augusta, Georgia, February 4th, 1999. 35 years old, 5'3", born in 1964. It just says he hasn't been seen since sometime in 1999, and his mother filed a missing persons report after not hearing or seeing her son since his disappearance. She told the police that her son was involved in drugs at the time that he disappeared. And we have Judson Lee Fielding, went missing from Augusta also, 1994. It says he left his mother's home where he was staying after a 2-year prison term. He was going to visit his 4 children in their Delta Manor home. He made it to the Delta Manor house, but he hasn't been seen since he left the house. He was an ex-Marine who was finally pulling himself out of the downward spiral of drugs and prison when he disappeared. He was planning to testify in a trial against Willie Carl Hankerson, Jr. His arrest was due to his involvement with the delivery of PCP to Hankerson. Wow. Leo Utley was arrested for conspiring to kill and killing Fielding and another witness in the case, Charles Joseph Winfield, at Hankerson's direction. Utley killed himself in an Oklahoma Federal Transfer Center December 25, 2005. In 2006, Hankerson was sentenced to 17 years in prison for Fielding's murder and other criminal enterprises. Hankerson said that he, his brother, and his cousin found Fielding in Augusta, tied him up, and forced him to admit that he was cooperating with federal authorities. Ellie then arrived a short time later, taped Fielding's mouth shut with duct tape, and put him in the back of the van. Ellie said that he killed Fielding and got rid of the body. Mr. Fielding's body has never been found. And that was about 2 hours and 15 minutes away. So if you have any information about who this John Doe might be, or about any of those missing persons, let the authorities decide what is relevant, what is important, and don't forget to pray for their family and their loved ones. Feel free to leave comments, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.